I have been seeing these dessert-themed ornaments all over the place, and they would be perfect to add just a little bit of sparkle and glam to any Christmas tree. Keep watching to see how to make a cupcake ornament, and just a hint, it's super easy. Hi, I'm Maria. I'm a full-time graphic designer and I love sharing my creative inspiration with you here on YouTube. I do home DIYs, fashion, and cupcake videos, so please consider subscribing if you like the idea of being creative every day. This video is part of the DIY Mommy's Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge. There will be a playlist with a bunch of other Christmas-themed DIYs, so make sure to check that link out after you finish this video. So as you can probably tell from my channel name, I love cupcakes and I love being artsy. So what better way to celebrate Christmas and do a DIY than to make a cupcake Christmas ornament? This would be a great gift for a fellow cupcake lover and would even be a fun little DIY to do with your family. There are so many different ways that you can customize these to fit with your favorite Christmas decor. And I did a more traditional color scheme on mine, but you could easily make these as fun and as colorful as you want. Okay, so let's get right into this tutorial, starting with the materials that you will need. a thumbs up if you have someone in your life who enjoys cupcakes. I'm really active in the comment sections of all my videos, so I would love to hear from you. If you want to leave me a comment, right down there. This is the first of many Christmas themed videos that I have for you this season. So if you liked this video, please consider subscribing so you can see all the creative inspiration that I have coming your way. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.